Facebook Watch video option not available. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now a lot of times that might be due to the lack of the latest update or latest version of the Facebook application on your device. So just tap on the Play Store and search for Facebook on the search bar. Now as you tap on search bar, just search for Facebook over here. Now just make sure you have an updated version. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So we're going to go back and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, make a long press on Facebook application and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So just tap on it and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. Now, this might help you fix the issue so you can just relaunch the Facebook application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.